How to convert anything to gold in Photoshop. Import your image into Photoshop and ensure it doesn't have a background. Apply the layer mask, then go to Image, then Adjustments and click on Desaturate to desaturate the image. Duplicate the image, and change the blending mode of the layer above to Difference. Inverse the image using Ctrl+I, then merge both layers. Repeat the process one more time. Then create a gradient map and choose colors from yellow to brown. Clip the gradient map layer in the image. Once done,